Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I have a monster of a canvas today. This is a 24 by 30. A good friend of mine hooked me up with some art supplies, including three 24 by 30 canvases. So I told him that I would put some paint on one of them and give it back. So that's what we're going to do today, but first, I have to say some thank yous to Jean O'Connor, Judy Frank, Valerie Ryan, Caprice Adams, Alicia Gates, Patricia Voldberg, We Notions, Adina Voinea, Lorraine Mayer, I'm sorry if I said that wrong, and Charles Hentages. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. Keeping me stocked up in paint keeps me bringing you content, and there is much more to come. I know that the videos have been sparse lately, but we have been having lots of issues with power outages and workers coming through, and it has just not been possible for me to paint. It's been driving me nuts, but the power went out this morning. It is back on. Gonna strike while the iron is hot and while I can. I have here, that thickened up a little bit, the paints, the colors. We have black by Artist Loft in the Flow Acrylics, which is mixed 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, and then water added until the desired consistency. For the paint that is going on the canvas, not your swipe paint, this is a swipe, gonna be, but the paint that's going on the canvas, you want it to be relatively thick, in comparison to some other methods. But however thick it is, you want it to be thicker than the paint that you are swiping with. It just works much better that way. Everyone has their own method for doing this. I do not put silicone in the paint that is going on the canvas. I only put it in my swipe paint because I don't like those bald spots. So I've already covered my edges because I know sometimes when you do a swipe, it doesn't fully cover. I can't do a whole lot of tilting. So I just made sure that that's covered. It's covered. And that's just covered with straight paint. That's not watered down. I wanted as much coverage as possible. Okay, so my friend Jason, he and I have very similar personalities in many ways. Very irreverent senses of humor, shall I say. But we also swim in the same OCD pool. He likes cells, but he likes patterns of cells, which is how I am. So, get off my canvas. So a swipe is a perfect technique for him because it is less random and more uniform, maybe. Okay. So what I'm gonna do first, and I'll do the red first. I want there to be a pattern. Somewhat of a pattern. may not have enough paint. Okay, so now I'm going to put down a layer of my base coat color, I'm sorry, my swipe color in that area there. Okay, I'm going to do 3 drops of the coconut milk hair serum. This is a lot of paint. So this is going to need about 3 paper towels. I have the Select a Size paper towels. I am just spraying it with water, not soaking it, just getting it evenly moist so that it adheres. Or I should say it's got some weight to it, so it'll grip to the paint so that you can drag it across. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay this down, and when I see that it is so far away that it is all, there we go, nice and even. Number 2. Okay, cell spectacular. It's a lot of cells. I like the pattern that's going on. Okay, here it is. Very cellular. There's some patterns that I don't care for. Hopefully they will blend in and get less noticeable maybe. There's a lot of paint on here, lordy. Okay, here it is, very cellular. There's some movement in the cells. I like that. That line never went away. I don't like that. I just saw a tip from Danny Young, which I wish I had seen earlier, that he just uses one big paper towel to do the swipe. Mayhaps I should have done that. I wouldn't have that line. So, there's that. Okay, that's it for me, you guys. I hope you learned something. I did. Thanks, Danny. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the new merch shelf right underneath this video. It should be rolling out to everyone very soon. If you can't see it yet, you will see it soon. The Teespring merch shelf. There's some Go Make Some Art shirts and mugs and totes and stuff. Perfect for the artist. And also in the description box will be link to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. My Amazon link, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So hook sister up. Thank you for those who do. The link to Go Make Some Art, our group on Facebook, that is there. Join us at Go Make Some Art. Post your masterpieces. Should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there's always someone there to help. And my website where I will have paintings for sale. That's not white. That's just the sun coming through the window. Yeah. Paintings for sale. I have my music up there too. I think that's everything. I'm a little out of sorts today. But that's it for me, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.